Korean quiz. Before we start, if you want some help while studying Korean, turn on your computer or laptop and visit jwkoreaschool.com. Our professional native Korean tutors are waiting for you. The link along with the discount information is in the description section. In this video, let's check if you can survive in Korea. We have 20 questions, and now let's start. Number 1. How do you say please come in Korean? A. 감사합니다. B. 도와주세요. C. 들어오세요. D. 안녕히 계세요. The answer is 들어오세요. A. 감사합니다 means thank you. B. 도와주세요 means please help me. And D. 안녕히 계세요 means goodbye, when the listener is staying and the speaker is leaving. Number 2. How do you say how much is it in Korean? A. 이거 뭐예요? B. 얼마예요? C. 누구세요? D. 몇 살이에요? The answer is B. 얼마예요? And the meaning of A. 이거 뭐예요? means what is it? C. 누구세요? means who are you? And D. 몇 살이에요? means how old are you? Number 3. How do you say I can't speak Korean in Korean? A. 한국어 못해요. B. 전 한국이 좋아요. C. 저는 한국인이 아니에요. The answer is A. 한국어 못해요. The meaning of B. 전 한국이 좋아요 is I like Korea. And C. 저는 한국인이 아니에요 means I'm not Korean. Number 4. How do you say I don't have cash in Korean? A. 지갑이 있어요. B. 내가 낼게요. C. 환불해 주세요. D. 현금이 없어요. The answer is D. I don't have cash. 현금이 없어요. The meaning of A. 지갑이 있어요 means I have wallet. B. 내가 낼게요 means I'll pay. C. 환불해 주세요 means I want to get refund. So D. 현금이 없어요 is the answer. I don't have cash. Number 5. How do you say today is Thursday in Korean? A. 오늘은 수요일이에요. B. 내일은 토요일이에요. C. 오늘은 목요일이에요. The answer is C. 오늘은 목요일이에요. A. 오늘은 수요일이에요 means today's Wednesday. And B. 내일은 토요일이에요. This means tomorrow is Saturday. So C is the answer. 오늘 means today. 목요일 means Thursday. Number 6. How do you say, where do I take the bus in Korean? A. 버스는 어디에서 타나요? B. 버스 요금은 얼마인가요? C. 버스는 무슨 색깔이에요? The answer is A. 버스는 어디에서 타나요? 버스 is bus. 어디에서? At where? 타나요? Take. B. 버스 요금은 얼마인가요? This means how much is the bus fare? C. 버스는 무슨 색깔이에요? It means what color is the bus? Number 7. How do you say, is this food spicy in Korean? A. 매운 음식을 좋아하세요? B. 이 음식은 맛있나요? C. 이 음식은 매운가요? The answer is C. 이 음식은 매운가요? Is this food spicy? A. 매운 음식을 좋아하세요? This means, do you like spicy food? And B. 이 음식은 맛있나요? This means, is this food delicious? So C is the answer. Is 이 음식은 매운가요? Number 8. How do you say I want to work here in Korean? A. 저는 여기에서 일하고 싶어요. B. 저는 일하고 있어요. C. 일 때문에 바빠요. The answer is A. 저는 여기에서 일하고 싶어요. I want to work here. B. 저는 일하고 있어요. It means I'm working. C. 일 때문에 바빠요. This means I'm busy of the work. Number 9. How do you say, can I borrow your phone in Korean? A. 핸드폰을 빌릴 수 있을까요? B. 전화번호가 뭐예요? C. 핸드폰이 어디에 있어요? The answer is A. 핸드폰을 빌릴 수 있을까요? Can I borrow your phone? B. 전화번호가 뭐예요? means what's your phone number? And C. 핸드폰이 어디에 있어요? It means where's your phone? Number 10. How do you say, I need your help in Korean? A. 외국인이에요. B. 도와주세요. C. 저를 봐요. The answer is B. 도와주세요. Please help me. A. 외국인이에요. This means I'm a foreigner. C. 저를 봐요. This means please look at me. What does this mean? 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. A. See you later. B. Welcome. C. Nice to meet you. The answer is B. Welcome. 어서 오세요. Number 12. What does this mean? 너무 비싸요. 너무 비싸요. A. It's too expensive. B. It's too big. C. It looks nice. The answer is A. It's too expensive. 너무 비싸요. Number 13. What does this mean? 자기소개를 해주세요. 자기소개를 해주세요. A. Please take a seat. B. Try this food. C. Please introduce yourself. The answer is C. Please introduce yourself. 자기소개를 해주세요. Number 14. What does this mean? 한국어 할 수 있어요? 한국어 할 수 있어요? A. Where did you learn Korean? B. Are you Korean? C. Can you speak Korean? The answer is C. Can you speak Korean? 한국어 할 수 있어요? Number 15. What does this mean? 어디에 살아요? 어디에 살아요? A. Where did you buy it? B. Where do you live? C. When did you come? The answer is B. Where do you live? 어디에 살아요? 어디에 살아요? Number 16. What does this mean? 예약하셨나요? 예약하셨나요? A. Can I buy medicine? B. Can you give me an example? C. Can I make a reservation? The answer is C. Can I make a reservation? 예약하셨나요? 예약하셨나요? Number 17. What does this mean? 영어로 말해주세요. 영어로 말해주세요. A. I like English. B. I don't speak English. C. Please speak in English. The answer is C. Please speak in English. 영어로 말해주세요. 영어로 말해주세요. Number 18. What does this mean? 저는 산책을 좋아해요. 저는 산책을 좋아해요. A. I like taking a walk. B. I enjoy reading. C. I love this mountain. The answer is A. I like taking a walk. 산책 means taking a walk. 저는 산책을 좋아해요. 저는 산책을 좋아해요. Number 19. What does this mean? 여기 너무 추워요. 여기 너무 추워요. A. The weather is so nice. B. I don't know about this. C. It's too cold here. The answer is C. It's too cold here. 여기 너무 추워요. 여기 너무 추워요. Number 20. What does this mean? 이 영화는 정말 재미있어요. 이 영화는 정말 재미있어요. A. English is so difficult. B. This movie is so interesting. C. I want to go watch a movie. The answer is B. This movie is so interesting. 이 영화는 정말 재미있어요. Great job, everyone! Please tell me in the comments how many you got correct. Have a nice day. Bye.